needs to die because he doesn't like ward properly. Like
Okay,
you see, top has no wards at
so
all.
I changed the
Like Graves
generate
comes and kills him,
file
then
a
it's my
little
fault.
bit
Oh fuck me.
to,
Oh shit.
well, actually,
Oh no, Kata's here. Oh.
let
Probably
me show you
shouldn't.
something. So, I had an idea with the GUI, and it had to do with finding
Oh my
cycles.
god, that's a
So,
4v.
if you
That's a
imagine if we
4v1
have a
right there.
cycle, then let's consider ordering the nodes from left to right. The ideal case is edges will go from left to right, but if we have a cycle, then there must be an edge from the right to left, right? So if a graph has cycles, then that's the case. But if it doesn't have cycles, then actually we can create a topological order so that the nodes go left to right in a nice way, so that the edges always go left to right. So I added that to, oh yeah, and you can look up Kahn's algorithm for topological sorting in case you want to, but
I'll help
I
you.
added a function in generate that does it
Oh
and
shit,
generates new puzzles
I
based
really
on that.
can't think.
So
You're being hunted down.
one thing you
Literally
might want
nothing I
to
can
do
do
is
against
delete
this.
the old puzzles from the database and generate new ones, I suppose, since the old puzzles definitely do
What
have
the fuck is
cycles.
Thresh
Some of
doing?
them do at least. And I also in display, I also used, well, it's the exact same function. You can see it's exactly the same. Creating a
Yeah, I really
topological
don't fit
order
with the game. I propose we
and
start.
adjusting the
Don't
coordinates
worry,
based on that.
I'll
So
agree with that. Like the
if
only
I
one
show
who's
right here, I'm currently just
congregating is Thresh
generating
and he
random
comes up
graphs and
least.
ordering by topological. Now, the x and y coordinates are flipped here, so we should go top to bottom in this case. So like 0, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. And you can always check. Like, for example, 2 goes to 1, 3, and 5, so 1, 3, and 5 should be after 2 here, which makes sense. And I'll generate a few. 0, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So topological order seems to be working fine. But
And like everyone needs to agree
now
as well.
that that's
Not be
working, when I go
unanimous.
back to the actual
I
app,
highly doubt
nothing
the Thresh
seems to be
wouldn't agree.
showing. I don't know if that's an
Well,
issue with
that's up to
the
him,
the
I
new
guess.
code that I added or anything,
Okay,
but
well I'll just go top then.
um, I don't think anything I added should affect it, since if we couldn't find a good topological order, then I just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I, if you could check that, that'd be great. But yeah, one thing I'll need you to do is possibly just delete the old puzzles from the database and generate new
Yeah,
ones.
I'll go back mid after this.
Because, like I said,
I need to
old
go and
puzzles
replenish my
definitely, some
soul.
of them do have cycles, while um, with the new generation they shouldn't have cycles.